Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's been causing quite a stir in the health community: saturated fats. Are they friends or are they foes? Let's find out. First, let's clear up what saturated fats actually are. These fats are typically solid at room temperature. Think butter, cheese, and the marbling in your steak. They've been a staple in diets for centuries, but in recent decades, they've gotten a bad rap. For years, we've been told that saturated fats raise our cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. But is it really that simple? Well, not quite. Newer research suggests that the relationship between saturated fats and heart disease is more complicated than we thought. Some studies indicate that not all saturated fats are created equal. For instance, the saturated fats in dairy products might not have the same impact as those in processed meats. So what's the deal with cholesterol? Saturated fats do raise LDL cholesterol, often labeled as the bad cholesterol, but they also raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind. It's the balance between these types that really matters. Now let's talk about inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, and diet plays a significant role. Some saturated fats, like those found in coconut oil, contain medium-chain triglycerides, which may actually reduce inflammation and support brain health. But it's not just about the fats themselves. How they fit into your overall diet is crucial. Diets high in processed foods and sugars can exacerbate the negative effects of saturated fats. Meanwhile, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can mitigate these effects. So what's the takeaway? Saturated fats aren't the dietary demons they've been made out to be, but moderation is key. Focus on quality sources like grass-fed meats, dairy, and coconut oil, and be mindful of your overall diet. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. So, are saturated fats friends or foes? It turns out they might just be both, depending on how you approach them. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.